Stop paying a monthly fee just to write a simple letter or balance your household budget. It is a trap we have all fallen into because we think there is only one way to handle our digital documents. The truth is, the world of free software is a battleground right now. You have three heavy hitters trying to win your loyalty, and each one plays a completely different game. Think about what you actually need from your computer. Do you want every single tool known to man? Do you need something that runs on a laptop from 10 years ago? Or do you just want your files to look the same when you send them to your boss? Let us talk about the powerhouse first. LibreOffice is the heavyweight champion for anyone who wants a massive toolkit without spending a dime. It is the most active project out there right now. The community is constantly fixing bugs and adding new tricks. If you want a full desktop experience that feels like a professional workstation, this is it. You get tools for writing, spreadsheets, and even complex database management. But there is a trade-off. The look and feel can be a bit stuck in the past. It looks like software from a decade ago. Also, if you are moving files back and forth with people who use the big name paid software, things might get messy. A table might shift or a font might look weird. Then you have the old, reliable option. Apache OpenOffice is like that sturdy old truck in the garage. It is simple. It is lightweight. It is incredibly stable. If you are using an ancient computer that struggles to open a web browser, this might be your best friend. However, the world is moving fast and this project is not really keeping up. Updates are rare. New features are almost non-existent. It is a time capsule of how office work used to be. It works fine for basic tasks, but it lacks the polish of modern software. Finally, we have the newcomer that is focused entirely on the modern worker. OnlyOffice is the sleek, polished alternative that cares about one thing above all else. It wants to play nice with your Microsoft files. When you open a presentation or a complicated spreadsheet in this program, it actually looks right. The interface is clean and looks like something made in this century. It is perfect for teams that need to collaborate and share files without the formatting falling apart. The catch here is the depth. If you are a power user who needs advanced data crunching or niche tools, you might find it a bit thin. It trades raw power for style and compatibility. So the choice comes down to your personal philosophy. If you want the most features and a huge community, go with the heavyweight. If you need something very light for an old machine, stick with the classic. If you just want your files to look perfect and modern, the slick newcomer is your winner. It is about matching the tool to your specific workflow. You do not have to be tied to a subscription anymore. There is a free world out there, and it is more capable than you might think. Just pick your priority and start typing. Stop overthinking the choice and just look at your daily habits. Are you a writer who needs total control over every margin? Or are you a student who just needs to turn in an essay that won't break the teacher's computer? The answer to that question tells you exactly which download button to click. You have the power to break away from the big tech giants without losing any of your productivity. It is a great time to be a user who values choice over convenience.